everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining today. Today I'm making a birthday card for my niece, and I wanted to try out the Griffin Cake Easel die card. And as you can see here, it's got the easel shape, and then it has this beautiful ornate cake layering piece, and looks really pretty. There are lots of things that are complicated. I'm kind of doing this in a simplified version, but just to show you all the different things you can do. Here is the die set. I put a magnetic strip down on that annoying tape that comes with dies. So you have your main piece like this that has your score lines and things in there, and then you have your solid layer piece, and then your cake layer piece, 2 label layerings, and then these 3 little flowers. So that's the die set. I'm going to put that aside. I've done some assembling just to keep the time down here. I'm doing this sort of gray look here, and so here's just the main piece. You want to just fold it on the score line that way and then fold backwards. It's that simple. And then we're going to put some glue down here in a second. I also cut out an extra layering piece for the bottom, and this is some of my original artwork you can find in my store, links below, to some of my sampler packs and digital files for my art. And anyway, so I cut an extra one out of those because I just wanted that to have a nice bottom as well, since I cut it out of solid cardstock, and it adds an extra layer of personal touch to that. So then we just glue that shadow piece or back layer piece down, put some little foam bits on the back of this piece, and then I have some like Tonic Studios specialty paper, so I'm going to go ahead and take the backings off of there. I've got little tiny, there isn't a ton of room, so I had to cut some of even these little guys in half. So again, same shadow piece. We're just gonna put that right on there, and then that just gives it a little dimension, makes it look a little more pretty. So to put this here, you simply take your die and you fold it towards you, and then you fold this little piece back, and then you can use sticky tape. I have this glue out already, so I'm gonna use that. And then with that flat, you want to, it's important to line up the bottom of this with this, because that's wherever you stick that down is where it's going to be. Okay, and this fits in a 5x7 envelope. So as you can see now, hopefully, it has, had I some foresight there, I would have covered the back of that as well, but it's okay, she'll be fine, I think. You can also write a message on the back of here, since it's white. So for our stopper, hopefully you can see that like that. So for our stopper, I cut some more of my paper out and stamped "Celebrate the Best Day Ever," and then I have that on the back with some foam, and let's put that about there. That way when you open the card, you have that stopper there, and you can decorate, go to town with that. I have used an Altenew die with 3 layers of vellum, more of that silver paper, and then that sort of dove gray paper. And then just for my stash, just some leaves there. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of stick that down. Maybe I'll use, let's see, I'll put that on foam tape. Some of these wider bits here. Before I press hard on there, I'm going to slip in my leaves, just so I know where I'm putting those. Let's see. I'll do it like that. So very clean and simple in a sense, if you want to think about it that way, but makes a pretty card, I think. Kind of elegant. Make a nice wedding card, actually, if it were "Celebrate the Best Day Ever," so it could go either way, but I'm going to use it as a happy birthday card today. Anyway, I hope you like that. This is really easy a die set to use, and of course you can go to town with ribbons and all sorts, but they give give you directions on the back how to assemble that, so that's nice. Hope you check out those links below. Why don't you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. That really helps support. It's a great free way to support artists. Thank you so much and have a great day.